In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to Sendowl. By the end of this walkthrough, your Sendowl checkout will offer PayPal as a payment option so customers can pay quickly and securely. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Sendowl and look for the official website. To avoid phishing or lookalike pages, check that the domain is correct and that you see a secure padlock in the address bar. If you already know the address, you can type it directly to go straight there. Once you see the official Sendowl site in your search results, click the correct link to open it. Give the page a second to load and make sure the branding and URL look right before proceeding. This small check helps ensure you're working in your real account and not a spoofed page. Now log into your Sendowl account with your usual credentials. If you manage multiple stores or clients, confirm you're in the right account by glancing at the store name in the header. As a quick security tip, avoid saving passwords on shared computers and consider using a password manager for convenience and safety. After logging in, head to the settings area. Depending on your dashboard layout, this is often shown as a gear icon or a settings link in the main navigation. The goal is to reach the place where you control your store's payment options. Inside settings, select payment gateways. This page lists the payment processors you can enable for your checkout. You'll see options grouped by provider, and you can enable more than one if you want to offer customers a choice. Scroll to the PayPal section and check the PayPal box to turn it on. This toggle tells Sendowl to show PayPal at checkout, allowing buyers to pay with their balance, bank, or card saved in PayPal. Next, enter your PayPal email address in the field provided and click Update. Use the email that's linked to the PayPal account where you want to receive funds. Double-check for typos. An extra character or a misspelling can prevent payments from arriving. It's also a good idea to make sure your PayPal account is set up to receive payments in your store's currency to minimize any issues for buyers. After you click Update, Sendowl saves your settings. From this point on, your checkout will include PayPal as a payment option. If you ever need to change the receiving email, return to the same payment gateways area, adjust the address, and save again. That's all it takes to connect PayPal to Sendowl. Keep your credentials secure, verify details carefully, and you'll be ready to accept payments with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!